Hello, dear student. Welcome to the chapter Cycle of Life. पढ़ते हैं that day the old man was leaving us forever. I heard my mother calling relatives and friends one by one on phone and telling the news in a sobbing voice. They will take out a ventilator today at around 3 p.m. You may come to see him before that. A week before that day, when he was taken to hospital, my father was helping grandpa to lie on the back seat of our car. I could not forget Grandpa's last unanswered reply when I, while trying to control my tears, asked my mother whether he would be all right. Grandpa called me with a weak gesture and softly caressed my hair, as he generally used to do. But very soon, his hand slipped away from my head, holding the left part of his chest to unsuccessfully stop the rising pain. तो उनके हार्ट में बहुत पेन हुआ जो ग्रैंडपा थे, राइट? He was struggling to breathe normally. He was the same man who once almost ran to the market in heavy rain to buy an inhaler for me when I lost the one in school and was a little breathless because of the asthma I had. But when it came to him that day, I could not do much but just cried. My mother embraced me, saying Grandpa would back soon. A night before that day at hospital's reception, my mother was consoling my distressed looking father to accept the destiny. It has to happen one day. I did not understand what it meant, but simply closed my eyes and prayed God to let my grandpa be well soon. My grandpa once told me that prayers from children are pure and they surely reach God, but it did not happen perhaps. That day we reached hospital at 1 p.m. We went inside. Security at the reception did not stop me that day. I was following my mother, trying to meet her pace, climbing the stairs to the ICU where Grandpa was admitted. A nurse guided us to a room. After a long week gap, I saw May Grandpa, my best friend. Grandpa was sleeping peacefully on a hospital bed. There were many small TV and radio-like boxes with tiny lights. Few boxes were making beep beep sound and rhythm. I knew that the sound was the fading heartbeats of my best friend, my grandpa. Then I saw my father with red and swallowed eyes sitting close to grandpa's bed. My mother could not control herself. She started sobbing loudly, kneeling at my father's shoulder. My father gently stood up and took my crying mother out of room. I was left alone with the most adorable man of my life. I went close to him, where my father was sitting just a few seconds back. I was the face of my dear grandpa. There was no pain. It was calm and composed, even with the new plastic tubes in his nose and mouth, and a white foggy gas mask on it. I found his face quite charming and graceful. I started caressing grandpa's hair. I wish that he utters my name just once. It was the same mouth that told me so many stories every day until I slept. I was waiting for his eyes to be opened to see me last time, but he continued sleeping. These were the old eyes that never got tired, enjoying watching my toys, my drawing, my homework, my mark sheets. Then I looked at his hand. It was the same hand that used to caress my hair. I held his palm in both of my hands and tried measuring my palm with his. Nothing had changed. His palm was still larger than mine. I touched his index finger. I held it for the last time. Holding it always assured me and gave me a safe feeling in busy markets and crowded places. I took out my inhaler from my pocket and kept it on a nearby table where already many medicines were kept scattered. I remembered once my grandpa told me that the inhaler was my life savior. I murmured in grandpa's ear, "Don't worry, grandpa. You would get well soon. I have kept here the inhaler to save you." मैं inhaler लेके आया हूँ आपको save करने के लिए. It is a boy. The exhilarated voice of my father brought me back to my present. Today, after 18 years, on the same floor of the same hospital, I found my father rushing towards a nurse who was carrying a just born baby. What are you doing there? Come look at him. He resembles ditto your grandpa. Almost shouted my father in excessive excitement, carefully holding the baby in his arm. But I saw my grandpa and my father more than in my just born son. A new cycle of life has started to repeat itself once again. तो ग्रैंडफादर के जाने के बाद एक नया बेबी घर में आता है. फादर कहते हैं तो बिल्कुल तुम्हारे ग्रैंडफा की तरह ही है. According to you, what facilities must be provided in hospital? पैराग्राफ बताइए आपके अकॉर्डिंग. इंडिपेंडेंट एंड डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं कंप्लीट थॉट को, जो कि स्टैंड अलोन होते हैं. इनको हम लोग मैन क्लॉज या फिर प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज भी कहते हैं. ये दूसरे सेंटेंस को या क्लॉज को सपोर्ट भी करते हैं. जैसे देखिए, व्हेन जेम स्टडीड इन द स्वीट शॉप फॉर हिज केमिस्ट्री क्विज इट वाज वेरी नॉइजी. वी कैन ब्रेक दिस सेंटेंस इनटू टू पार्ट्स. वन मेक्स कंप्लीट एंड दूसरा डिपेंडेंट. जैसे इट वाज वेरी नॉइजी, इट वाज वेरी नॉइजी एक पार्ट हो गया. व्हेन जेम स्टडीड इन द स्वीट शॉप फॉर हिज केमिस्ट्री क्विज, तो अब ये हो गई डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जो कि उस क्लॉज पर डिपेंड हुआ. तो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है उसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. यहां पर भी हमें एनसर्कल करना है. अंडरलाइन द डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. चलिए करते हैं. और इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को सर्किल कर क्या करने वाला. डॉक्टर वॉज वरीड दैट चार्ली वॉज पुटिंग ऑन टू मच वेट. चार्ली वॉज पुटिंग ऑन टू मच वेट. ये इंडिपेंडेंट, ये इस पर डिपेंड. डॉक्टर तो वरीड तभी हुआ ना. आई विल गो ऑन ए ट्रिप इफ द कार इज ऑन गुड वर्किंग ऑर्डर. कार इज ऑन गुड वर्किंग ऑर्डर ये होगी. ओके, तो आप इसी तरह कर लेंगे. जैसे यहाँ देखते हैं, व्हेन वी गेट देयर आई वुड लाइक टू लुक एट द डिस्प्ले. लाइक टू लुक एट द डिस्प्ले. वी गेट वेयर. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट. नाउन क्लॉज आपको ढूंढना है. तो नाउन क्लॉज क्या है? नाउन की तरह जो काम करे. ठीक है ना. जैसे देखो, ही नोज दैट हिज बिजनेस विल बी सक्सेसफुल. नाउन क्लॉज हो गई, एडवर्ब क्लॉज हो गई और एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. तीन तरह की क्लॉज होती हैं. ठीक है. अगर फंक्शन करे नाउन की तरह तो फिर आप कहेंगे कि नाउन क्लॉज है. ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स कंटेनिंग ए सब्जेक्ट एंड डेफिनेट वर्ब. इट्स ऑन एंड कंटेन्स दैट, हाउ, व्हाई, इफ, वेदर. नाउन क्लॉज आंसर क्वेश्चन हु और व्हाट. चलिए, ही नोज विल बी सक्सेस. तो ही नोज जो हो गया भैया नाउन क्लॉज. द वेंडर ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स. What he wanted. यहां पर भी कर सकते हैं what he wanted को. I wondered. Find out the noun clause. ये आप अंडरलाइन करेंगे. Synonyms आप लिख लेंगे. एंटोनिम भी लिख लेंगे. ये कंट्रोल है. कंट्रोल का मतलब क्या है? गाइडेड है. अपोजिट क्या करना है? अनकंट्रोल कर दो. अनआंसर्ड है तो यहां पे कर सकते हैं सिनोनिम नॉट आंसर्ड. नॉट आंसर्ड. यहां पर कर सकते हैं आंसर्ड. ठीक है ना. WERED आंसर्ड. इसी तरह से आप लिखेंगे. ठीक. डू यू डू प्रेयर्स इन द मॉर्निंग. तो अगर करते हैं तो प्रेयर लिखनी है आपको. यहाँ क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं. चलिए. आई कुड नॉट फॉरगेट लास्ट अनआंसर्ड रिप्लाई. किसका नहीं भूले थे भाई? अपने ग्रैंडपा का. ग्रैंडपा कॉल्ड मी बाय ए वीक जेस्चर एंड softly kissed my hair as he generally used to do. I was a little breathless because of asthma. I held his palm in both of my hands. I saw my father with red and swollen eyes. The exhilarated voice of my father brought back to me present. क्वेश्चन आंसर नोटबुक, फिल इन द ब्लैंक नोटबुक्स चैप्टर पढ़ के करना है. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में. थैंक यू.